Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. If you're watching this right now, you might be checking out PlayBucks and maybe you're wondering, can you make money with this particular app? Let's check out this new GPT app and find out if this is a good way that you can earn money online and how much can you really make, okay? Now, first of all, I want to mention that if you're checking out PlayBucks, right, make sure that you're on playbucks.fun and you can also download it directly from the Google Play Store under PlayBucks, all right? And it looks basically like this. Now, there is another app that's called playbucks.net that looks like this. It's got this kind of like bag of money with stuff coming out of it. This is I don't think this is a legitimate website. All right, I have reviewed websites like this in the past that look exactly like this. They use the same testimonials and it's the same structure and everything, and that one ended up being a lot of them are not real websites, so just be careful. Okay, so make sure you're on the PlayBucks website where it's the P and it's got this sort of like square around it. And you come directly to the Google Play Store. So I just wanted to mention that very clearly, right? Now, the thing about PlayBucks is that it's only available right now in the US, Canada, and the UK. They will expand to different parts of the world, but it's a pretty new GPT website right now. So in other countries, you're not going to be available. So if you are in countries outside of the US, Canada, and the UK, stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to show you some other cool ways to make money online, all right? Now, if you are in the US, Canada, and UK, and you're on this particular website, all right, again, make sure you're on the right website. You can download it directly from the Google Play Store. And the way that it looks like, it's kind of like this. You download it, and there's a few different things that you can do with PlayBucks, which is cool. You can play video games, a lot of video games actually. You can download offers from their offer walls. You can take surveys, and you can also watch videos. Now, we're going to talk about each activity and how much you can earn per activity, and that's very important for you to understand as well. All right, so first of all, when you first start, you're going to get 2,000 points added to your wallet. All right, now 2,000 points is equivalent to 20 cents, so it's a nice little tiny little bonus that they're going to give you just for signing up, which is pretty cool. And then the first thing that you can do is you can reward, you can refer friends as well, and you'll get 500 points for every time you refer a friend. That's very little money, right? That's only 5 cents for referring your friends, but at least you can earn a little bit by sharing the referral link that way. And then you can earn points by playing video games. All right, so they've got a lot of video games. They've got puzzle games, they have strategy games, they have turn-based games, they have all sorts of games. And the way that you make money with games on PlayBucks is for two different things. Number one is the amount of time that you spend playing the game, and then another one is, which is very typical of these kinds of apps, is basically hitting milestones in the games. So when you reach a certain level, like level 5, level 10, level 50, level 100, level 300, at each milestone they will give you different points. Now, some games you have to play it for quite a long time before you reach significant milestones, right? So you're only going to get paid out decent amounts of money usually when you hit the much later milestones, level 300, level 500, things like that. Usually when you get to level 5, level 10, level 20, it's very little. So they're literally giving you 5 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents equivalent of points. But once it gets later down the line, you can make $3, $5, $10, but it does require you to spend quite a lot of time on those particular games, okay? So it's a nice, cool way to make a little bit of money, but just understand that it's not going to be fast money, right? It's one of those things where they're going to be showing you a lot of ads as you're using PlayBucks, and I do want to mention that is that the way that they make money is that they show you a lot of ads. So as you're going through the app, as you're downloading the offers, you're playing the video games, you're taking the surveys, they're going to show you a lot of ads, and that's how they make money. So for the time you spend on the actual app, that's how they're going to reward you, and that's just so that you understand how this works, okay? So that's one way you can make money through games. Another way is to take surveys, okay? So they've got little surveys there, which is pretty cool. But what I do want to mention that with the surveys, they don't pay as high as some of the other GPT websites that focus mainly on surveys, right? So it's nice that you can take surveys, but you earn between 100 and 1,000, 2,000 points for each survey that you take. So in equivalent to dollars, that's between 1 cent and 20 cents per survey. All right. Now, with other survey companies, like if you go to, for example, 5 Surveys or Prize Rebel or Inbox Dollars, for example, where there's more focus on the surveys, they'll pay you between 20 cents and $1 per survey. These guys, PlayBucks, pay you between 1 cent and 20 cents. So yes, you can still make money by filling out some simple surveys, but they're not paying you that much, okay? But it's still an additional way to make some money here. And then the last way is to watch videos, which is pretty cool, right? So if you have a bit of time, and you're just watching TV anyway, if you want to run these videos in the background, you're going to earn some points by doing that, but you're not going to earn that much. You'll just earn really, really little, but it is a way for you to start earning some points there. Okay, now the nice thing that I do like about PlayBucks is that the withdrawal threshold is very low. All right, so once you reach 5,000 points, which is equivalent to 50 cents, you can withdraw your money through either PayPal or any of the gift cards that they have at that particular time. Is different for depending on where you live in the US, Canada, or the UK, but it's things like Starbucks, Target gift cards, Amazon gift cards that you can withdraw. Okay, so threshold is very low. 50 cents is really low. Most GPT websites is usually about $5 to $10, but these guys allow you to withdraw at 50 cents, which is cool. All right, now the big question is can you earn a lot of money from PlayBucks? Who is this relevant for? I think that as a new player in the market, it's pretty cool that you can come here, you can sign up for free, mainly for Android users, and mainly in the US, Canada, and the UK, right? And playing the games are fun. So if you enjoy playing games and you don't mind making a little bit of extra money here and there, then I think PlayBucks is pretty cool that way. So this is the biggest way that you're going to make, easiest way I would say to make money through PlayBucks is to download the offers on the offer walls and play the games, right? Unfortunately, I think their surveys and their watching videos aren't that good. They don't really pay that much compared to other GPT websites and other, survey focused apps. I think those will allow you to make a little bit more money. So I think for PlayBucks, I would focus just on the games. If you like playing games anyway and you'll make a little bit of extra here and there, you may as well get paid for it, right? Again, you're not gonna get rich from this, okay? We're talking at at about 50 cents per day, $1 per day playing the games, maybe a little bit more depending on how much time you spend on the games, right? But that's kind of what you can expect from PlayBucks, right? Again, it's not going to be thousands of dollars. You can't quit your full-time job, nothing like that. But they're legit. They do play out, and they're a young GPT app, and they're up and coming, and they should have a lot more growth and development over the years, and they'll be available in more countries as time goes by. So if you want to check them out, make sure you go to the right website. Again, make sure you don't come to playbucks.net. This is not a real website. Okay, these guys, again, this looks like a fake website, but PlayBucks, it's got the P with the nice little square, and they're available on the Google Play Store under PlayBucks if you want to check them out. Okay, now if you're here right now watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to generate some big income. On this channel, this is the first time you're here, I have reviewed hundreds of different strategies online to make big money. Some of them are so-so, some of them are okay, some of them are really good. But out of all of the strategies I've tested, this is the one that I used to completely change my life. I used it to make 5 figures a month. And if you want to check out that strategy, you can just click the link right below this video. I hope you enjoyed this review of PlayBucks. I wish you all the best. I will see you on the next one. Take care.